Windows 10 support has ended. Should you stay or should you go to Windows 11? Here are some quick steps to help you decide. Step 1. Check your PC hardware. If you're not sure whether your PC can handle it, here's an easy way to check. Just tap on Windows, type in Run, click on the Run app, type in MSInfo32, click OK. This should bring up your system information. Look down your system information for your processor. If you can't right click and copy, you can edit, copy, or press Ctrl and C on the keyboard. Open your favorite browser. I'm going to use Chrome. Click on the search box, paste it in, press enter, reject the cookies. What you want to do is come over here to AI mode. So what you want to ask it is this question. Is this processor 8th gen Intel or newer? And it says yes. This is considerably newer than the 8th gen Intel. So yes, this processor is compatible. Try it with yours. Let me know in the comments below. Step 2. So we need the Microsoft Media Creation Tool. So if we type in Windows 11 Media Creation Tool, and then click on Download Windows 11, scroll down, you should see Before You Begin Assistant. Click on Download Now, wait for it to download. Windows 11 Installation Assistant, click on that one. Then click on Get PC Health Check app. Click on the app, click on Accept, Install. You can add a shortcut to the desktop if you want to. Just click Finish. You'll see this come up on screen. Just click on Check Now. As you can see, my current PC fails the check. Let me know in the comments below if yours passes. If you like this, subscribe. It's free and it helps us grow. So let's review the pros and cons of staying on Windows 10. Some of the pros: everything you already know is set up how you like it. You already know your way around the system. It runs really smooth on older hardware. Keeps your current apps and tools running fine. No big changes, no learning curve. The downside to this, the cons: the setup won't stay secure for long because there's no more safety updates. Hackers know it too. Outdated systems are easy targets. New software and drivers may stop working over time, refuse to install, and eventually you'll get left behind. So if you're staying put, stay smart, keep antivirus up to date, back it up often. Before you make any decision, you can use file history, OneDrive, or an external backup drive. I've linked my full backup video in the description below. And now it's your turn. Drop a comment. Are you staying on Windows 10? Or are you tempted to move to Windows 11? The choice is yours. Your PC is not dying, it's just changing. If you're ready to make the move, I'll link a video at the end of this one that shows you how to successfully back up all your files and make a USB stick. I'll see you over there.